So I opened a random part that I was working with, and I want to put a logo in here. So first, so I can center up the logo, I'm just gonna find out where I want to put it. So I'm gonna make center marks and then offset this negative 6.35, and then turn that and that into construction lines so it doesn't mess up with my extrusion later. And then to make something in DXF, going to grab this logo, save image as, and then just put that in my downloads folder. And then we'll go to this one, save image as, downloads folder, and then, oops, I just typed in free AI vectorize image. And I got this one, which is right here. So I'm just going to do this again. Upload. Might as well do both of them at the same time. Download that one and download that one. And then insert SVG. Just grab that logo. You're going to want to put it on that face. So it's that right there, and that's a sketch plane. Then I just click the face I want it on. Okay, so this one didn't end up great. But you can also default to this website and let's go there and open it and convert to SVG. This is the main website. Just not liking that one a lot. That one's a bit better. So now insert SVG, whatever that most recent one is, and scale that down. And then just put it on that center line. I'll just highlight that and get rid of the ones I don't want because that's easier. And that looks pretty good. So negative 0.5. And the other one I want to show is the delta because it has two colors that are close to each other and no break line. So take that and then just select that surface, scale it down to where you want it. And just hit OK on that. And then what you can do is negative 0.25, and then go back into that sketch and extrude negative 0.5. And now if you turn off the sketch, you can see the difference in the height. So that's where the two parts are, and then you can go back here and do the rest of the word. If you want to make it contrast more, you can go 0.5 out that way. So it's a little hard to see outside the rendering environment, but I had to take a picture of rendering it out because it won't work. But that's the front. And it just took too long to do the back. But that's how you use an SVG on here.